just finished painting a pair of Marx E7s and Canadian railroads. Neither Canadian railroad owned an E7, so I decided to try to make them look like the E8 and the E9, the E8 of the CP rail and the E9 of Canadian National. So I removed the front fake Mars light, also the side number boards, the side square windows that give it the traditional E7 look, to make it look more like an E8. The round windows are actually decals. I also made decals for the front number boards. And my daughter hand-painted the handrails on it, as well as the stripes going down the steps. Harold King has the stripes on the front of the Canadian Pacific, as well as the CN as micro-scale decals. So we'll check them out. They were very smooth runners, and pretty happy with them. One more thing I want to mention before we fire them up is I use 19-volt LEDs for the headlights. I removed that headlight screw that Marx put in, and I buy them from Evan Designs. They work really well. They give you a really good deal. If you buy more than $40 worth, you get free shipping as well as 15% off. So we'll start with the Canadian National first, and we'll see how it runs. The E7 is by far my favorite Marx engine. They're good pullers, they're really smooth. They're what really brought me around to Marx trains. When I get a new motor, the first thing I do is pop a new pair of brushes in it. It really makes quite a difference. So every time I order from Robert Grossman, I'll order a new pair of brushes just in case, just to have them. Again, thanks for watching, and never forget that Jesus is Lord. God bless.